welcome to All About Life, and I'm Tapasya, your host. This is like a channel where you get beauty, maternity and lifestyle videos. Hope you like my videos and welcome to my channel again. I would like to introduce myself. I'm a working professional from e-commerce and I have a hobby of making YouTube videos. I don't get enough time to edit the videos, but hope I will be making a routine for it. So let's see. If you like my video, please comment down below, like my channel, subscribe my channel, and please press that bell icon for more notifications. Luxury. This video is all about luxury shopping on Nykaa. Hope you guys, if you're in India, you know Nykaa is a shopping website for beauty and skincare products, makeup products. So that is a #1 website. I'm tagging it. This is not sponsored by Nykaa. This is not not at all, motivational video for Nykaa products and anything. No. Today I just brought, why I'm making this video. The reason is the experience I got in Nykaa. Recently I purchased some luxury products on Nykaa. I was always eager to buy drugstore products because I used to get discounts on it, but recently I brought MAC and other perfumes on Nykaa because there was a deal going on. It was like 7th anniversary or something, some anniversary sale of MAC. So they were offering lipstick, full-size lipstick with any product in any purchase done above 3,000 rupees. So I thought, I am out of my primers and any other things, I'll buy something from Nykaa. So I did. Then I thought that I'll get a brown box and I have to brown ganda sa tape and everything, but like I never shopped from luxury store of Nykaa, but I wonder why I was not shopping it. They give such a good offers and I love their packaging. The way they treat you when you buy luxury, it's like awesome. This is how you retain your customers. And when I went to MAC stores, I told them, do you have any offer on it? They said no. We don't give any offers, not even freebies. So why would I go to MAC store and buy it if I get it home? I can get that home with a free product and treating you with a lot of luxury. So by luxury I mean the packaging is very well done. The color of the box is black, my favorite. And then why I'm talking so much, I'll show you how they send this. So when you shop a Nykaa luxury product, first though they have the luxury store, Nykaa Luxe, they say it. Nykaa Luxe means it's the luxury store and you get a lovely box. See, which also again says the luxury store. I love black boxes. I must say I love black boxes, and that too matte. So when you shop a luxury product from Nykaa, they have a lot of brands which falls under luxury like Clinique, YSL, Marc Jacobs, MAC and other products also. So box like this, when you open this, as the theme color says, it's a pink and black, and then you get a card. See, this card says that thank you, we are thrilled you choose to shop with us. We hope you loved your experience. Have we met socially? Yes, we have met socially. I love the experience. I love when you pamper your customers, because this is the way girls like to get treated. भले उनके boyfriend हो या उनके husband or या any store. If you treat a girl well, obviously they're gonna spend their love and money on you. Then there is, see, a package. This is like a Ziploc bag from you get a lot of products. The overall, I'm filming this video because of the overall experience. I know that is not a big deal to get a pink bag and a box, but obviously these small things feel that you are pampering yourself. So I'm gonna show you what I got. So recently I brought a MAC primer. This is a MAC primer. This is for dry skin, normal skin, not dry skin. This retails for, it says it is 3,200, but after like GST and all, I think it is for 2,900, not 3,200. And they have reduced, MAC has reduced prices for their foundation also. The basic foundation is for 2,500, earlier it was for 2,700. So with this primer, I got a lip swatch. No, this is like lip shade 8 textures. So I got late in buying the product because I shopped it in evening and they had the offer running from morning, so the full lipstick offer was gone and they only had this as a free gift. So I thought, okay, let it be. This time I can manage myself with this. Another thing I brought is like a Clinique Even Better Dark Spot Reduction. I saw a lot of reviews on it. I have not used it. This is for uneven skin tone and all the dark spots you have on your skin. I don't have much of my uneven skin and dark spot, but still after pregnancy I have a little pigmentation below my lips. So I will be using this. This is a very expensive product. This is not a cheap product. This retails for 4,600 and you get how many ml? How many ml? How much? How much? How much? Oh, this is only 30 ml. So you know how Clinique products are. The products are way too nice. I love their toner. I just love their toner. It's like a chemical it is like a wipe which clears the entire dust and exfoliates your skin very well, cleans your skin very well. Even if you're not wearing makeup, there are a lot of dust particles and everything on your skin every day. So do not forget to tone yourself in night. I do forget, but it's okay. I can suggest you not to forget it. And then I brought some makeup tools and fake lashes. I don't know this is from Luxury Store or not, but they packed it in the same way because I think they were giving me a huge bag. I've thrown box for this because like how many boxes will I carry? So I brought makeup tools from Nykaa. This is like Real Technique. These are like too famous for blending. This, is it not in focus? What? Some light issue. Okay. The one eye shade and blending brush. You need to blend your eyes. And this is like contour brush, detailer, and buffing brush, and square foundation brush. 4 brushes. This was for 2,200, I think. And this one I don't remember. I'll link it below. Then I brought this eyelashes. Why does this isn't focusing? See. This is Ardell's Professional Natural Multi-Pack eyelashes. This is like demi wispies, and you look lovely when you wear eyelashes. And I'm not a pro in wearing it, but let's see. When I use it, I'll give you a tutorial, or I'll show you with a picture that how does that look. And it gives you 3 steps how to wear these lashes, so I'll obviously follow and Then another thing I brought from Nykaa Luxury Store is like I'm obsessed with this. Oh my god. This is like Black Opium. They're running a banner also on it. This is the latest launch from YSL. And there's a regular perfume I use, Marc Jacobs Daisy. It is EDT spray 100 ml, and I love the bottle. See, so flowy. But this is a woody scent. This is not a floral scent. I used a floral scent. They have a blue bottle. I don't remember the name, but I like this, and I like obviously bag opium from Buy Sell. The best thing is I love the box. See, so pretty, isn't it? So wrapping this video up, this is all what I have from Nykaa. This shade is also from Nykaa. This is like one of my favorites. Okay, hope you like all my content. If you like more of maternity stuff or more of beauty stuff or more of lifestyle stuff, please comment down below. That helps me to make a lot of videos. And like, subscribe. Please do subscribe my channel and press that bell icon for more notifications, because I am recently making a lot of videos. I'll be editing it and posting it very quickly on my channel. And share this with your friends and family. If there is a new mom and if you are pregnant and if you want beauty updates or shopping haul updates and lifestyle updates, then this is the channel for you. And do give me feedbacks, because I love your feedbacks and I would like to, do better stuff on my channel so that you guys stay connected.